guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to braid my hair. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. Before I get into this braid video, I know it's been a while up. I posted here on YouTube. A lot has actually happened. A lot has changed in my life. I went to uni, finished uni, got a job, and a lot has happened. I feel like I need to give you guys like an update of what's happening in my life actually, because it's been great stuff, you know. Actually, it's been great stuff. I got a job that I love. I work in tech now. God, I just feel like I will come here and give an update, and eventually my channels is going to evolve as well, because it's been August will make it 10 years I've been here on YouTube, so it's crazy. But anyways, going back to this hair. So this hair is from HOTBRAIDS hair company. I'm gonna put all the specs and everything that has to do with the hair in the description box below. The reason why this hair is different and kind of unique is because normally when you do your crochet braids or when you do your braids, you just do it with a normal regular braiding hair. But this is different. This is actually human hair. It comes like a bundle, so you're gonna see I'm gonna prep it to braid my hair. It's really nice. It's like it's human hair, so it's great quality. Do you understand? It's great quality when you braid it. And don't worry, when you are stretching the hair, you're gonna feel like maybe when you're braiding it, you feel like what's happening to it. But when you're done braiding it, you can use water and leave-in conditioner to get back the coils. So don't worry if that happens. But I used 4 bundles is what they sent to me. I think about 4 or so. You know, I'm gonna put everything, more detailed information about this hair in the description box below. But when the bundles came, I actually thought it wouldn't be enough, but I'm surprised it's more than enough. I used everything on my hair and it's more than enough. This is really beautiful. For those who don't like the synthetic hair and all that, you want something of quality to braid your hair, this is definitely the best thing to go. And you know, I actually cut my hair. I know, so I forgot to tell you guys. I know some of you will be surprised that why is my hair short. I cut my hair. I made a video on, you know, I made a video cutting it and everything. I've not had time to edit that video. Like, it's just to show you how busy my life has been. Like, it's crazy. I'm just trying to find time to create content, and I'm trying to, you know, God, I really want to do it. It's just that my life has been so busy. But I'm definitely going to come here and give you guys like a life update so that you guys know what is happening. And even if I'm going to start creating content, I want to start creating something different. It's not going to be about hair all the time, because a lot has changed and I've done so many hairstyles, and at this point I just can't keep doing hair tutorials. I need to try something else as well. So I believe that is all for now. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm going to show you guys what the packaging looks like. As you guys can see, these are the accessories that came with the package.
It crumbles down, watch it get higher, down to the wire. Will you let it burn till we almost drown? Higher, goodbye, honey, where do we lie? Where you're headed, am I going there too? I don't wanna ask why, wanna give this a try with you. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone, 'cause it's a big pill to swallow, but you won't do it on your own. And if you wanna go, I'll follow.
As you guys can see, it has a total of 6 bundles. So first thing I'm going to do is to stretch the bundles. And then comb it very well. So now I'm going to start braiding my hair.
I won't let you go.
So what I do is that I braid the hair, and then when I get to a point, I tie it, as you guys can see.
Gotta get your feet wet, gotta give what you get. I don't wanna finish where we started. Like the river flowing, tell me where we're going. Take me.
So I tie it 4 times to make sure that it's very, very secure.
Hey, desire, burning like a fire. What you gonna do when it crumbles down? Watch it get higher, down to the wire. Will you let it burn till we almost drown? Higher, goodbye, honey, where do we lie? Where you're headed, am I going there too? I don't wanna ask why, wanna give this a try with you. And if you wanna go,
So this actually took me about 4 to 5 hours to braid.
'cause it's a big pill to swallow, but you won't do it on your own. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone. I don't care what happens now, where we go, how far and how. If you wanna go, I'll follow.
After braiding it, I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges. And then I'll tie a scarf on it to let it dry. So while I'm waiting for my edges to dry, I went ahead to spray my water on the hair, and then I also applied my leave-in conditioner and my braiding oil to kind of get back the curls of the braids. Then I went ahead and took off the scarf, and this is what it looks like, guys. You guys can see it looks absolutely beautiful. I also went ahead to do some styles on this hair as well. I really like it. It's really beautiful and versatile.
I won't let you go. Hey, desire, burning like a fire. What you gonna do when it crumbles down? Watch it get higher, down to the wire. Will you let it burn till we almost drown? Higher, goodbye, honey, where do we lie? Where you're headed, am I going there too? I don't wanna ask why, wanna give this a try with you. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone.
And that is what is going to be for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you guys. Bye.